Hey everybody, Trent here. I am your principal here at DWFU, and I want to tell you about an issue that I just came across, and I'm sure a lot of you are facing the same issue. I got an email from a friend about a week back asking me if I was aware that when he clicked on this link here for Eye for Detail Photography, he went to this page with no profile picture, uh, one related post, and like 8 people who like it, instead of going to this page, which is the official Eye for Detail Photography webpage, where I've post all my pictures and links and updates and whatnot. Turns out a few months ago, Facebook, in their wisdom, decided to change how these things work. So instead of when I type in, say, that I went to school at Douglas College, it would go out and it would create a community page. If I typed it in the same way that other people typed it in, it would link it all together. So here at Douglas College, we'll see that 840 people like it. But if I had accidentally typed in the wrong thing, it would create just a new page. If I print, Douglas College, New Westminster, it would create a brand new page, and I would be the only fan of it. As a photographer and as a business person, I don't want people going to this page that I have no control over. I want them going to this page. How do we change that? Well, good question. First thing we need is a copy of Firefox or Chrome. You might be able to do this using Safari or Internet Explorer, but the thing that you need is you need the web developer toolbar, and that comes out of Firefox, and there's been a port here for Chrome. I prefer Chrome, so I've got the Chrome version of it. Now, when you install it, it creates this little toolbar here that allows me to go through and do all manner of things. It's an extremely powerful tool. But in this case, this is the only link, the only thing that I need to know is this thing right here, which is display form details. And that goes through and it shows off all the places in Facebook where it's making an API call. So now that we've got Chrome and we've got our extension, the next thing I need to do is find out what the official or what the number is for my page. You'll note here that I've already taken and created a unique URL for it. So it's facebook.com/eye for detail. That information doesn't help me because if you looked at the APIs, all it was pulling all sorts of numbers and garbage like that. So how do we find out what that number is? Because when I first created the page, it had the number. When I gave it the unique URL, that number went away. Well, if I click here on Edit Page, you'll see that this bar up here has changed, and it gives me Edit the page ID, and it gives me the page number. I'm going to take and copy that. Then I'm going to go over here to my personal page and click Edit Profile. Down here in Education at Work, I am going to need to add a new job. So because I've already changed it, if I type in Eye for Detail Photography, now it knows to find that site. So I'm going to type in something a little bit different. Eye for Detail Photographs Incorporated. Now, you see it's created a new page. You can tell because it's got this little empty suitcase icon. Here's where things get a little bit complicated, but just stick with me and you should be fine. I go up here to my Web Developer tool bar and drop it down. Select forms, and then display form details. We can hide that. Now, if we look here, right under Eye for Detail Photographs, or Photographs Incorporated, you'll see that it has a entry ID. So I'll just take and paste that number into there, and then I'll paste it here as well. Now, that's all I need to do. If I take and undisplay that and hit Add Job, you'll note that now this is official. This has changed from whatever link that it was going to create to the official Eye for Detail photography page. So if I go to my profile again, I've got the link to Eye for Detail Photography. You'll see that there's the one that I'm the owner of, and then there's the new one that I created. If I click on that, it takes me to the official page. That's as simple as it is, or that's the best you can do to do it. It involves a little bit of hackery, but if you're comfortable following directions, you should be able to do that. Now, I got to tell you, I didn't come up with this myself. This is based on a tutorial that I found over here at Saying It's Social. If you're having any issues, you can go take a look at the Saying It's Social link, or you can send me an email. There you go. Hope you learned something from there. Hope your fans are now able to find your business page. And I will talk to you all later.